Hi, and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name's Ed Miles and this is the new 2018 RACER Tour Winter Glove. So RACER Tour Winter Glove is the first from RACER. We've got two models in this range. This is specifically designed for a heated grip. So what we've done is we've put all the insulation down the back of the hand, and down the palm is just the waterproof membrane. So what that means is you're going to get full control over the bike, but you're going to keep your hands nice and warm in the back and then allow the heated grip to do its work on the front. This paired up with the RACER Aqua membrane means you're going to get a fully waterproof, fully breathable and warm glove that gives you all the control you guys want. More and more people are using those heated grips, so we think this glove is going to fit perfectly into that segment, especially at this price point. We talked to you a few of the features down the back part of the glove. You've got a ripstop material running up here, so it keeps a nice strong textile material but keeps it nice and soft with reflective piping as well. Coming across the back of the hand, you've got knuckle detailing, and across here you've got stretch panels to allow the glove to stretch when you're using your bike. Textile on the back, again for warmth and for comfort. Come to the side of the glove, leather inlay panels in the inside of the glove, and then back round to the palm. As you can see, you've got a full leather palm with a wrist support and wrist closure, so the glove's not going to come off your wrist in the event of an accident. On this finger, it can also be used to use smartphones and tablets, so you've got that control on those cold days when you don't want to take your glove off. Extra piece of material on the outside of the little finger to give you a bit more protection if you do have a low side on that part of the palm. Turn it around, as you can see, it's an absolutely stunning glove. The detail is perfect and it's got a 3-year warranty, pretty much unheard of in the glove market. So you know you're getting a really nice, good quality product. For any more information on this glove, please go to tranam.co.uk or go to our Facebook page, Bikerheadz.